This video shows how to use the stack analysis view in eSquare Studio. The content is divided into two parts. The first part focuses on user interface of stack analysis view. The second part presents some common functions on the menu. Part 1, Introducing Stack Analysis View. Firstly, you can find stack analysis on Renesas Views menu of eSquare Studio. If the stack information file is not found, you need to add more stack options on project settings and rebuild the project. The options of the stack information depends on the type of compiler. You can refer the following table for it. For example, with CCRX project, select Project, C++ Project Settings. Go to Linker Miscellaneous and check on Stack option. Click Apply and close. Build the project. The stack analysis view is displayed. There are three main parts in stack analysis view: Tree tab, Table tab, and Menu buttons. In the Tree tab, the functions tree shows the relationship between functions and their stack sizes. The icons describe the type of resource in the case. There are some symbol icons on the tree. Please refer the following table. When you select a symbol node on the tree, its children are shown on Stack Information area. The information is divided into 6 columns as follows: function name, attribute, address, size, stack size, and source. In the Table tab, the node relationship is described in 3 columns, such as caller function, and callee function. The other columns are similar as columns of Stack Information area of Tree tab. The menu includes options such as Export Stack Analysis, Expand All, Collapse All, Search, Show Next Match, Show Previous Match, Jump to Source File, View Menu, Minimize, Maximize, Restore. Part 2, Demonstrating some common functions. Example for search function. Click Search button. Fill main and symbol text box. Then find all. The results are shown in the search result table. Jump to source file function. Select main symbol on the tree. Then click Jump to source file button on the menu. The source file is opened in the editor with the cursor at the line of the symbol definition. In View menu, there are 2 modes to show the symbols on the tree, such as Show All Symbols and Show Simple Symbols. To reduce the size of the tree, omitted symbols are used to replace the symbols with the same name that has been shown earlier on Show Simple Symbols mode. How to show stack size on the tree. There are 3 options to show stack sizes on the tree. Option 1, don't calculate stack size in tree. Each symbol only shows its stack size. This data is shown in stack size column. Option 2, show stack size including callees. Add the maximum stack size of lower symbols to stack size of direct upper symbols. Option 3, show stack size including callers. Add stack size of direct upper symbols into stack size of lower symbols. For more details, please refer the eSquare Studio Help menu. Thank you.